Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. We've got us a little mail call to do. This is from my little brother Lakehousebeach. So I know what's in here. I'm sure you guys all probably have a pretty good idea of what's in here. But hey, here we go. As everybody knows, he's started pouring. So everybody knows that I collect 13s. So even though his number 1 bar probably would have been the most popular, this is the one I want. Says Dino, hey brother, thanks for picking up one of my bars. Smiley face, lucky 13 just for you. With epic ripples, LHB. And there is the new hand poured silver bullion LHB sticker. And the certificate of authenticity, Kit Kat 2 ounces Troy 999 fine silver, number 13, Lakehousebeach. There's that, and now here we go. Oh man, son, you did a good job on this. Oh yes. That camera did not do it justice. Did not do it justice at all. That actually came out beautiful, man. That is beautiful. That's even better than the picture. Gorgeous. I knew you'd be a natural. If you can see that, it says 2 ounces Troy, then it says LHB and 13013. Beautiful. That's almost, gosh, I can't even describe how those ripples look. That looks really good. Let me get it up here and see if we can get a little bit better shot of it. Some more light up here. I know these cameras aren't going to do it justice. Just no describing that. Man, you did a good job on that. Damn me, another 13 to add to the collection. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful job. So there it is. Whoa, come back here. Thank you, little brother. I appreciate it. That is absolutely gorgeous. And you know where that's going to go. Everybody, get you some Lakehousebeach silver. He's doing a fine job. That almost looks like tiger's eye, the way those ripples are in there. And I'll put a, right over, let's see, where is it at? Right there. I will put a card up to the video where he was pouring this, and then I will put a link down in the description. LHB, thank you so much. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Another lucky 13. I'm going to have to do a lucky 13 video pretty soon. Everybody, have a good one, and we will see you all in the next video.